Ashley from MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm here showing you our Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Brand new that we just got in the store. She comes with a trailer, your black bimini top, railing all the way around the bow of the boat. It's your front seat cushion with storage underneath. Comes with a cooler as well as a chair. You have your rod holders right behind you. Your helm area, storage in there. Your seat with the live well underneath. It also has 4 positions that you can sit. So it could be a leaning post, or you could sit facing towards the back as well. There's your live well. And she comes with a Mercury 4-stroke 90 on the back. If you want more information on this boat or any others, you can visit us at MarineMax.com, 941-388-4411. Thank you.